Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create a mobile friendly and desktop friendly website through Canva, and that is free. For free we will be creating our website through Canva. So this is our Canva dashboard. So if you don't know, you can just type canva.com and you have to sign up for Canva, or you can log in and you will land on this dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So let me tell you, Canva is a designing software where we will design our website. So we will be making our web pages for free. So in this video we will make some web pages, and I will show how to create web pages for free through Canva, and for both mobile friendly and desktop friendly, and how to publish the websites. So this is our Canva dashboard. So you can see at the top, home, templates, features, learn and pricing. So go through all of them. So here you can type what type of post you want to create, what type of design you want to create. So this is the settings. So you can click on create a design to create a post or your design. So this is my profile. On the left side you can see recommended for you. So it will take you to the this dashboard, this page. All your designs. So all your design will be auto saved in this session. Shared with you, brand kit, creator team. So these are some of the tools. Next is design anything. So you can create anything from Canva. If you have ever used Canva, you can know that we can create anything from Canva. If you don't, you can see here we can create presentation, social media, videos, products, marketing and many more. So these are some of the examples. As you can see, presentation, resume, Instagram post, logo, poster, letterhead, card, Instagram stories and many more. You can just scroll down and you can see here are some of your recent posts. This is creating our Instagram posts, logos, posters and everything. So this is the dashboard area. So you can just go through and scroll down to see what are the various options provided by Canva. So now we have to create our website from Canva. So in this search you can type website, and you can see there are three options. So mobile first website, we will be using this to create our mobile friendly website. So we have to click on website to create our desktop friendly website. So click on website. So now you can see we have many templates here. So feel free to go through them and see which template correlates with your business idea. Just go through this, but you can see they are paid. As you can see, paid option here. So some are free but some are paid. So but we are making, so the purpose of this video is to create web pages for free and from scratch. So this one is a free template, as you can see, but we are building it from scratch. So click on create a blank website. So in this I will be only talking about I will not making full website. I will be just talking how to do it, so you can just do and make one for yourself. So this is our Canva editor. So you can see on the top bar you can see home, file, resize. You can just rename from here. You can upgrade your plan, you can share design, you can download, and here you can see publish as website. And there are many options when you click on three dots. On the left side you can see templates. So there are the templates. You can choose from the templates and then you can edit them. Here you can see an upload option. So when you click on upload, you can upload your own media. Here is photos. So these are some of the photos which are provided by Canva. So it includes both free and paid. Next one is elements. So you can use elements of from this tool. Next one, text. You can add text from here. And the third one is audio. So you can go to the audio library and you can use any audio for your video or anything. And from here you can get videos. Here is our background, so you can change background from here. And next you can click on more to see what are the app and the integrations provided by Canva. So you can see we have pixels, Pixabay. So these are for free stock photos. So if you don't like any photos in the photo tools or here, so you can click on Pixel and Pixabay. They provide more photos, and the best is they are for free. They provide free stock photos, unlike photos here. So Instagram, so there are many options. I would like you to just go through the dashboard and see what are the options available for you. So this is our main Canva, so where we will be designing our first web page. So each page we will design on a separate Canva. So let's rename our website. So we will making let's give it a random name, so you can see service website. So we will be providing services, any kind of service, whether it's let's keep it as design services. So this is our name of our website, design services. So the purpose is to provide services to our customers, clients for this for the design, to create design and preparation, or basically for graphic design. So this is our Canva. So you can see there are options. So this is add note, so you can add a note. For this you can duplicate page, or you can add another page, or you can add a page from here. So this is our, so we will be creating our home page from here. So now, so we will be creating our home page. So for home page we need a background, so click on photos, and now we can just type any keyword. So let's type laptop, and you can see various images has been pulled down. So just scroll down and see which image is best for you. Some are paid and some are free, so let's go with this one. So click on the image, and now it has been added to our Canva. To set it as a background, right click and click on set image as background. So now our image has been set as background. Now we can add text from here. So you can see that our image is very bright, so our text and our elements above it will be blending in with each other. So we need to decrease the transparency. So click on the background image, and here you can see a transparency option. So click on it, and now you can decrease the transparency. So you can see, I think this much is fine. So click here. So now we can go with text, and we can write a heading here. So we can write designing services. So here we write. So you can just click on the text, and you can change font from here, from the above top bar. So you can see there are many fonts, so you can click on any font and see which one is best. So you can search from font from here. So now let's search Leek Spartan. So this one is right here. So click on Leek Spartan, and you can see our font has been applied. So this is for increasing or decreasing our font size. So you can see we can increase our font size from here. This is for changing color of our text. So click on this, and you can now change color easily. So let's keep it black. So now you can see alignment. So you can move the text from left, right, or you can place it at the middle. This one is for our bullets, this one is for our spacing, and this one is our effects. And when you click on three dots, you can see various options like uppercase, lowercase. So if you click on this, you can see all our correct letters have been uppercased. This is for underline, so you can see wait a second. So this is to underline our text. So you can see this is how we underline our text. And when you click on this, so the next options are position and transparency, and you can add a link and a lock button so that you cannot edit or you cannot perform any edition by mistake. And here is our duplication of our text. So this is how we write our heading. Then we can just put another subheading. So we can write here like number 1 designing company. So this is how we do this. Place it right here. We can increase from here. So again, this one is best. So you can see designing service, number 1 designing company. You can add extra elements from here to make it more attractive and appealing. So click on here, and you can write here line. So click on the line option here, select and keep it here. You can increase the width from here. and you can, by clicking on the line, you can change color from here. So let's go with a yellow one, and you can click on this line and duplicate this, and now you can put it beneath, just below our text. So this is how we create our home page, as you can see. So if you want to create, this is our home page. If you want to create more pages, just click on add page. And now let's give it a title like connect with us. So connect with us. So we can just go with text, and we can write, just add a heading and write connect with us. Put it at the top. Now let's go and search for some social media icons so that people can easily click. So let's write Facebook here. So click on Facebook, resize it, and now place it at the left side. Same go with Instagram. So you can see magic recommendations, so you can click on them, and now you can put it down here. And same you can with YouTube. Oh, this one is I think, so go with the now you can go with Twitter. So type here Twitter and click here, and yeah, now you can resize it and place it below all the icons. So this is how you can place. So now let's add a text. Click on heading, and you can write connect, or you can just follow us on Facebook. You can decrease from here, and now let's put it here. Now you can duplicate the same. So click on the three dots, and you can duplicate the same, and you can put it below this text. And now instead of Facebook, you can just edit and write here Instagram. Same, you can duplicate the same for Twitter and place it here. So go with Twitter. So now you can change the color from by clicking here. You can change color to make it more attractive and appealing. You can also add a background image. So for this, now you can add a link to every icon. So you can click here link, and now you can type your Facebook group link, say https www.facebook.com, and now your Facebook page or group. Same you can do with Instagram. You can just link your Instagram button here, your Instagram page, and same with Twitter. So anybody who clicks on this icon will be redirected to your own group or your own page. So next you can create a page about your services or your product. So you can write product, like you have some a ebook to sell. So for demo purpose, I will be writing here ebook, or simply a book. So let me write book here. So for the demo purpose, let's go with this one. So you can see this is your product, you want to sell this. Put it here, image, and then you can put a heading here, by our latest product or anything, it depends on. Now you can drag and put it here. Now you can go to the elements and search for button. So you can click on this button, or I think let's delete and take some good button. Let's click on this one, resize it, place it beneath, and now you can add a text here, add a subheading, and you can write shop now, and you can place it inside this button. And now you can link this button to your checkout page. So you can write and you can link this button to your checkout page. So this is how we can create our pages through Canva by using element design and everything. And after that you can publish your website from here. Either you can download the pages, or you can click on publish your as website. So when you click on publish as website, you can see options here, as you want to publish it as a presentation, scrolling, navigation, or standard. So let us add the first page title here. Let me write home. So now publish our website. So for desktop friendly, we have to choose navigations and click preview website. So you can see this is our website. So this is our home page. This is our connect with us page. So whenever someone clicks on this icon, will be directed to your own page of the social media, and this is your product page, and this is your website name. So now you can copy this link and you can just promote this link to you can use this this website as your landing page, or either you can use a URL shortener to shorten this link like bit.ly. So you can do the same, or you can also share the link or download or share the link or present from here. Now let's talk how to make our mobile friendly website. So this is our desktop friendly website. So as you can see, just play around it and see how it goes. You have if you have some designs with in your mind, so go ahead and create your own landing page here. So don't create a fully functional website, just create some landing page, a small landing page that you can easily embed it into your WordPress or your Shopify website. So to create our mobile friendly website, let's click on file, click on create new design, and click here mobile. Now let's see what options. So you can see here mobile first website. So click on this. So we will be just using a template for this instead of preparing it from scratch. So it's pretty simple. You can just wait a second. So you can see there are many templates here. So click on any of the templates and you can use those templates. So yeah. So you can see this template is good. So click on the template and you can apply all 19 pages, or you can click on a single page to apply that. So you can see here is our template. So now you can edit it. So now let's edit. You can write designing services. Same, you can go with the subheading number 1, designing services. Next you can add a page, or you can just go with here. So you can just find so you can click on contact us to add a new page. So you can see add as a new page. Click on add as a new page and our contact has been added. So now you can just click here and edit your phone number, your email ID, and your website. And you can also edit elements here by clicking here. You can delete any element. You can add any element from here, like we can add a line. So scroll down and see. So we can use this one. So now let's go and paste it here. You can increase from here. So it's totally up to you. You can use any of these elements. So this is how we create our mobile friendly website. So you can click on publish as website or on 3. So now let's click on publish as website. So you can see the same options are appearing, but this time we will be clicking on scrolling. So for mobile friendly website, always select scrolling, and for desktop friendly website, always choose navigations. So now let's publish. So this is our website. So we are now currently running this website on a desktop, so that's why it's looking like this, but you can click on inspect and you can see how it looks on various mobile phones. So this is how it looks. So now you can copy this link and you can promote this link, or you can just shorten this link by URL shortener. So this is how we create our mobile and desktop friendly websites. So this is just a small part of doing it. If you can do this, if you have any idea, you can do this, or you can take ideas from these templates. So now let's click back on our home. So this is our main dashboard. So you can see your designs. You can see the two websites which we created, design services and our these two design web pages. So this one is our mobile desktop friendly, and this one is our mobile friendly. So this is all about in this video. So if you want a full-fledged video on how to create your free web pages from Canva for both, so I will be linking a course description below. So you can click and you can buy a course which is now on sale. So you can get access to how to create web pages from scratch. And in that course, I have created 5 web pages, and I have also discussed about Canva a little bit more. So feel free to click on the link and see how it goes, and then you can buy it. Thank you, and bye for now.